शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेमदेवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। चतुर्थ कारिका वी सॉ अंतस्थानात् तु भेदानां तस्मात् जागरिते स्मृतं यथा तत्र तथा स्वप्ने संवृतत्वेन भिद्यते। In that tasmat jagarite smritam, see on page number 84, first line in the टीका, द्वितीयेन पादेन प्रतिकूल प्रमाण अभाव सूचकम प्रतिज्ञोपसंहार वचनम निगमनम सूत्रितम इत्याह तस्मात् जागरिते अपि वैतथ्यम स्मृतम इति निगमनम। Everybody found 84 first line in टीका connecting to first line in bhashya. So the dvitiya pada says tasmat jagarite smritam. That tasmat is nigamanam. Tasmat tatha, we saw tippani number 1. Tasmat tatha. Tasmat tatha means tasmat parvato vanniman. Why? Because this parvata has paksha dharmata. Hetu has paksha dharmata, means in paksha there is hetu, and also there is the vyapti of hetu and sadhya. So dhuma vyapya vanniman parvata, this is the upanaya. Dhuma vyapya vanniman parvata. In the same way, here drishyatva vyapya mithyatva, दृश्यत्व व्याप्य मिथ्यात्व is there in जागृत पदार्थ, and therefore तस्मात् तथा तस्मात् जागरिते अपि वैतथ्यम means जागरित पदार्थानां वैतथ्यम smritam. Smritam means is understood. This is the nigamanam. Now, here there is one point that I have emphasized earlier, and now also we should always remember, whenever we have a firm vyapti, all of you can hear me clearly, correct? Okay. When the vyapti is very firm, then if you see the hetu, somewhere sadhya has to be there. If I see it, if I don't see it, if I cannot recognize it, that is different. But it is there is for sure. So if dhuma vanni vyapti has become firm, if dhuma is there, vanni has to be there. There is no doubt. In the same way, if drishyatva mithyatva vyapti has become firm in my buddhi, then I know if something is drishya, it has to be mithya. It cannot be satyam. It will get contradicted. It will get contradicted means the way it looks now, it is not going to be later. This is called contradiction. When we say Rajju Sarpa is mithya, means it looks Sarpa now, later it will look something else. That is called mithyatva. So if this vyapti has become firm, so something looks attractive now, later it will change its nature. Why? Because it is mithya. It will get contradicted. It has drishyatva, mithyatva is part of it. Something gives me sukham and it is drishyam, later it will get contradicted. It will change its nature. In other words, I cannot rely on what it appears as the final thing. This is not going to be true. This should be my understanding. Simple example you can take is our own deha. Deha is there. When it is healthy, it is sukha sadhanam, very attractive, very joy giving, etc. But it has drishyatva. Because it has drishyatva, you wait for some time and you see. It will get contradicted. It will not remain the way it is. This is called mithyatva. So, drishyatva and mithyatva has sahachara. This you will not be able to break. Wherever there is drishyatva, mithyatva will be there. So this vyapti, when it becomes dridha, then my focus is only if I can find drishyatva, I will understand mithyatva. Mithyatva I will not see. Mithyatva I have to understand. Like on mountain up somewhere, fire is not available for perception. You will not be able to see it. But you have to infer. In the same way, the contradictory nature of a thing, we will not be able to see it. What we will know is drishyatva. The other thing we will have to understand. This has to be like this only. So this is true for everything, all anatma. Our body, senses, prana, mind, we know, we have experienced enough. All relations that look very attractive, very close, they can change their nature suddenly. And of course, everything is anitya in kala. Kala will kill everything anyway. Mrityu is only upasechanam for Atma. Even Kala will become chutney. All objects, their mithyatva is also there. So this is the importance of this vyapti. That Jagrat Drishya is mithya, Jagrat Padartha is mithya drishyatvat. Swapna prapanchavat. The importance is this sahachara darshan. Sahachara means they both have to be in the same adhikarana. Like Vanni and Dhuma will be in same adhikarana. Whether it is Mahanasa, whether it is Parvata, in the same locus, they both will be there. In the same way, drishyatva and mithyatva will be in the same thing. If one thing is there, other thing will be there. Mithyatva is vyapaka. But you will not find, see, just as you may find Vanni somewhere where there is no Dhuma, like in Ayogolaka. But you may not find mithyatva somewhere where drishyatva is not there. We don't know, but so at least there is samavyapti. Samavyapti means yatra yatra drishyatvam tatra tatra mithyatvam. Yatra yatra mithyatvam tatra tatra drishyatvam. Both ways it is true. This is called samavyapti. Further, टीका सर्वद्वैत वैतथ्यवादिना केन विशेषेण पक्ष सपक्ष विभाग सिद्धि इत्याशंक्य. So a question is raised. You all are sarvadvaita vaitathyavadi. Means for you, Vedanti, whatever is Dvaita is Mithya. Sarvadvaita Vaitathyavadinam Kena Visheshana. What is the Visheshana or what is the distinguishing factor? Not Visheshana, what is the distinguishing factor by which you say something is Paksha, something is Sapaksha? Paksha Sapaksha Vibhaga Siddhi. So this definition also you note down if you don't know. What is Paksha? Sandigdha Sadhyavan Pakshaha. Sandigdha Sadhyavan Pakshaha. And what is Sapaksha? Nishchita Sadhyavan Sapakshaha. Nishchita Sadhyavan Sapaksha. So where there is Nishchaya, that Sadhya is already there, that is called Sapaksha. And where there is doubt about the Sadhya, it will be called Paksha, Sandigdha Sadhya. So what is the distinction? Swapna हैज़ निश्चित मिथ्यात्व. Jagrat Mithyatva is doubtful. Therefore, Jagrat Padartha is Paksha and Swapna Padarthas are Sapaksha. This is the Vivaga Siddhi. Iti Ashankya. Antasthanatu Samvrutatvena Vidyate iti atra Vivakshitam Arthamaha. Antasthanatu Bhedanam. So, Swapna Padartha, they are inside, means they are in the confined space, that is the Antasthana. Because they are in the confined space, therefore they are Mithya, is certain, it is Nishchitam. Antasthana tu samvrutatvena bhedyate iti atra vivakshitam artham aha. So the vivakshitam artham is bhashya antasthanat samvrutatvena cha. One is it is antasthana, inside, and it is confined. Actually it is one hetu only, but he has given two, antasthanat samvrutatvena cha. Because already it was proved, just because something is inside is not mithya. I am inside my room, that is big, so it's not mithya. That is not the hetu. If there is not enough room, then there is mithya. Antasthanat samvrutatvena cha स्वप्न दृश्यानां भावानां जागृत दृश्येभ्यो भेदः. स्वप्न दृश्यानां भावानां, दी स्वप्न दृश्य मीन्स स्वप्न पदार्थ, दे आर डिस्टिंग्विश्ड फ्रॉम जागृत. जागृत दृश्येभ्यः फ्रॉम दी जागृत दृश्य, दिस इज द भेद. बिकॉज इन जागृत पदार्थ दे आर नॉट इनसाइड, दे आर आउटसाइड, देयर इज नो अंतस्थान. And samvrtatva hetu is also not there. They are not in confined space. There is enough space. Large space is there. So, antasthanat samvrtatvena cha swapna drishyanam bhavanam jagrat drishyebhyo bhedah. Drishyatvam asatyatvam cha avishishtam ubhayatra. And drishyatvam and asatyatvam is same in both. Same in both, in Jagrat as well as Swapna. So, there are two differences. Antasthana and Samvrtatva is there in Swapna, is not there in Jagrat. Drishyatva and Asatyatva means Mithyatva is there in both. In Tika, स्वप्न दृश्यानाम अंतस्थानम समृतत्वम च. स्वप्न दृश्य, they have अंतस्थानम and समृतत्व, they are in the confined space. न तथा जागृत दृश्यानाम. Same is not the case for the waking objects. Why? तेन उचित देशादि अभावात् तेषां तेभ्यो वैषम्यम स्फुटम. So second number tippani says Jagrat Drishyeshu Antasthanatva Abhavena. Because Jagrat Drishya is not inside, therefore Swapna has Uchita Deshadi Abhava. Jagrat doesn't have Uchita Desha Abhava, and therefore they are different. Tebhyo Vaishamyam Sputam. जागृत दृश्यानाम तेभ्यः स्वप्न दृश्येभ्यः. तेभ्यः मीन्स स्वप्न दृश्येभ्यः वैषम्यम स्फुटम. दिस इज द भेद. सिद्धम ही योग्य देशादि अभावेन स्वप्नस्य मिथ्यात्वम. व्हेन योग्य देश अभाव इज देयर and therefore swapna is mithya, this is clear. Therefore this is sapaksha. Jagrat, swapna jagat, swapna padartha will become sapaksha. जागृतस्य पुनः उचित देशादि सद्भावात्. जागृत पदार्थ, they have uchita desha, there is enough space. Sadbhavat asfutam mithyatvam. So their mithyatva is not clear. That's why it will become paksha. So what is the criteria for making something as paksha, something as sapaksha, if everything is mithya? So where we have nishchaya, that will become sapaksha. There we have doubt, that is paksha. So in Jagrita, there is doubt about mithyatva because there is enough space. So this is why we don't accept that Jagrat is mithya easily. But we accept Swapna is mithya very easily. तर्हि सर्वथा वैषम्यात् दृष्टांत दार्ष्टान्तिक भाव असिद्धिः इत्याशंक्यः. Then सर्वथा वैषम्यात्, then looks like waking and dream, there is a lot of contradiction. Therefore, drishtanta and darshtantika bhava asiddhi will take place. Because there is nothing common. You say no, there is something common. What is that? Drishyatvam, asatyatvam. So, asatyatvam is actually only arrived at. What is common in drishyatvam? From common drishyatva, we arrive at asatyatva. That is the second part. Fifth टीका. स्वप्नवत् जागरितस्य मिथ्यात्वे स्वप्न निद्रायुतावित्यादौ जागरिते स्वप्न शब्द प्रयोगो युक्तो भवति इत्याह. If Jagrita means Jagrat Padarthas, they are like Swapna, Mithya, Swapnavat, Jagritasya Mithyatve, Swapna Nidra Yuta. Can anybody chant that Karika without seeing? Very good. Swapna nidra yutavadyau prajñastva swapna nidraya nanidram naivacha swapnam turiye pashyanti nishchitaha. Swapna nidra yutau adyau. Adyau means Vishwataijasau. Adyo means Vishwataijasau. Swapna Nidra Yutau Adyau. Prajñah tu Aswapna Nidraya. There is no Swapna for Prajñah. Means there is no Anyatha Grahana, there is only Agrahana. Vishwa and Taijasa has both Agrahana, Anyatha Grahana. Prajñah has only अग्रहण. प्राज्ञस्त्वस्वप्न निद्रया. प्राज्ञः तु अस्वप्न निद्रया. Nidraya. Then after that, what is the verb? Kriyapada. No, what is that? Drishyanta. Pashyanti. No. What is the other one somebody said? No. Yutaha. First part says Swapna Nidra Yutau Adyo. So Yutaha is there. No? That is second part. Swapna Nidra Yutau Adyo. विश्वतैजसौ स्वप्न निद्रा युतौ. One statement is complete. प्राज्ञः तु अस्वप्न निद्रया युतः. The second sentence. युतः is verb. क्रियापद है there. Then निश्चिताः तुर्ये न निद्रां नैव च स्वप्नं पश्यन्ति. That is third statement. If you want to combine, then yutau and pashyanti, you will have to say vishwataijasau swapna nidra yutau iti nishchitaha pashyanti. Nishchitaha pashyanti, nishchitaha pashyanti, everywhere you will have to put them. You can do that. जागरिते स्वप्न शब्द प्रयोगो युक्तो भवति. So therefore waking is also called swapna. Why? Because waking also has the same drishyatva mithyatva just as in swapna. Therefore jagrat is also called swapna. जागरिते स्वप्न शब्द प्रयोगो युक्तो भवति इत्याह स्वप्न इति. फिफ्थ श्लोक. स्वप्न जागरिते स्थाने ह्येकमाहुर्मनीषिणः भेदानां हि समत्वेन प्रसिद्धेनैव हेतुना. स्वप्न जागरिते, दिस इज द्विवचनम. स्वप्नं च जागरितं च स्वप्न जागरिते. स्थाने इज ऑल्सो द्विवचनम. नॉट स्थाने मीन्स स्थान सप्तमी एकवचनम. दिस इज स्थानम स्थाने स्थानानि. दैट इज स्थाने. स्वप्न जागरिते स्थाने ही एकम, दे आर सेम. मनीषिणः आहुः. Wise people, those who have manisha. Manishinaha means what was said earlier, pramana kushalaha. Pramana kushalaha, manishinaha. They say jagrat and swapna. So here remember, the main pramana is anumana pramana. That is what has been going on in this chapter so far. Shruti pramana is there and backed by अनुमान प्रमाण. भेदानां हि समत्वेन प्रसिद्धेनैव हेतुना. भेदानां, we will see what is this भेदानां. The प्रसिद्ध हेतु is दृश्यत्व. भेदानां means पदार्थानां समत्वेन. भेद शब्द has two meanings. See, bid dhatu, if you do ghaya pratyaya in bhava, it will become bheda. Bid dhatu, ghaya pratyaya in bhava, that bheda means anyonya bhava. Anyonya bhava ghataha pato na is called bheda. Pot is different from cloth. That is anyonya bhava. And if you do karmani ghaya pratyaya, then vidyante iti bhedaha. So in this shloka, it is this karmani ghaya pratyaya. You will see that in the tika. Vedaha means vidyamanaha bhavaha. objects which are these distinct. So this vidyamana padartha, they have samatva. What is the samatva? Prasiddha hetu drishyatva. Because of drishyatva, they are similar. And therefore, the both sthanam, Jagrita sthanam and Swapna sthanam are similar. टीका उभयत्र एकत्वम विद्वद अभिमतम इति अत्र हेतुमाह. उभयत्र, in both places, Jagrata and Swapna, ekatvam, oneness, vidvad abhimatam. Wise people have understood this. Abhimatam means considered. Is considered by wise people as one. In that, what is the hetu? Bhedanam. Bhedaha vidyamana bhavaha. So, those bhavaha, padarthaha, which are distinct, they are having the bheda, vidyamana padartha. तेषाम, फर्दर टीका, अवस्था द्वयवर्तिनाम ग्राह्यत्वम ग्राहकत्वम अविशिष्टम. So these objects which are there in the two avasthas, अवस्था द्वयवर्तिनाम ग्राह्यत्वम ग्राहकत्वम अविशिष्टम. Something is grahya, something is grahaka. This is avishishtam. तेन दृश्यत्वेन हेतुना प्रसिद्धमेव तेषां मिथ्यात्वेन समत्वम्. ग्राह्यत्वं ग्राहकत्वं. 4 नंबर टिप्पणी. अवस्थाद्वये अपि ग्राह्यत्वम् अनात्मनः ग्राहकत्वं च आत्मनः अविशिष्ट. So in both avastha, what is grahya is anatma, what is grahaka is atma, is avishishtam, is not different, is same. तेन दृश्यत्वेन हेतुना प्रसिद्धमेव तेषां मिथ्यात्वेन समत्वम. Because of this prasiddha hetu, drishyatva, their mithyatva is there, and because of mithyatva they are same. Mithyattvena samatvam. As far as their mithyatva is concerned, there is no difference. Their ability to satisfy sense organs is different. That topic is going to start from the next karika. That sthula vishaya give different kind of bhoga, sense of bhoga. Sukshma vishaya gives different kind of sense of bhoga. That is the difference. But mithyatva is same. Like, see, those people who don't have much money, they want 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, and they are worried about 1,000, 2,000. Those who have lot of money and they are worried about lot more money. So they say, I need 60 crore, 80 crore, 100 crore. And that fellow is worried about 100 crores. Both are worried. Both are begging from somebody or the other. One fellow wants 1,000 rupees. Another wants crores. So worry is same, begging is same. And then the other worry is, now I have to pay it back somehow, if you want to pay back, or I should use it in the good way, whatever. So, as far as this aspect is concerned, it is same. Another thing also I'll tell you. See, in hospital, if you go to hospital, there is somebody, let's say cancer patient is there. This fellow is cancer patient. He is in air conditioned room with all sophisticated equipments and all tubes are in his body. The other fellow is in general ward. He is also cancer patient. He also has all tubes in his body. As far as departure date is concerned, they both are same. One is in first class compartment, another is in general class. Departure is going to be there only. So that aspect is not different. There are a lot of other aspects, Like this fellow also has to do all his prakriya in bed, whatever excretion. Other fellow also has to do everything in bed only. He said, but he is very rich. So what? He can't do anything. He has 3 servants, still he has to do everything in bed only. So this aspect is not different. In the same way here also, दृश्यत्व is same, मिथ्यात्व is same. तेन स्थानयोः एकरूपत्वं विवेकिनाम अभिप्रेतम. सो विवेकी विल सी ओनली दिस एस्पेक्ट. हाँ, ये तो सेम है, इसमें कोई भेद नहीं. तेन स्थानयोः एकरूपत्वं विवेकिनाम अभिप्रेतम इति यत् पूर्वम अनुमानाख्यम प्रमाणम सिद्धम. What was siddham through anumana pramana, tasyaiva phalam sthanadvaya avishesha rupam anena shlokena uktam. The result of that is sthanadvaya avishesha rupam. That in both the Jagrat sthana as well as Swapna sthana, there is no vishesha, avishesha rupam anena shlokena. By this shloka, 5th shloka, उक्तमिति श्लोक योजनया दर्शयति. भाष्य प्रसिद्धेनैव भेदानां ग्राह्य ग्राहकत्वेन हेतुना. सो दिस प्रसिद्ध हेतु, दैट ग्राहक इज द्रष्टा, ग्राह्य इज दृश्य, हेतुना समत्वेन स्वप्न जागृत स्थानयोः एकत्वम आहुः. स्वप्न स्थान एंड जागृत स्थान, their ekatvam, their oneness is said by vivekinaha iti purva pramana siddhasya eva phalam. So this is result of the anumana siddhi that is done. So shloka 1 to 1, 2, 3, these 3 shlokas had the anumanam. 4th one anumana prayoga was shown. 5th one is the phalam of this anumanam. Everything is set. Now he begins with more katkut of waking state. Now is ready. Jagrad drishyanam bhavanam mithyatvam iti atra anumanantaram aha. After this anumanam, that Jagrad drishya padarthas are mithya, what is to be said? Adavante chayannasti vartamane pitattatha vitathaihi sadrisha santo vitatha iva lakshitaha. आदावन्ते This is the famous Karika by Gaudapadacharya ji. This has marked a big impact in Vedanta Darshana. Adau ante chayan nasti. That which is not there in the beginning, that which is not there at the end, vartamane api tat tatha. Even in the present, it is the same. Means it is not there. What is not going to be there, what was not there earlier, means anything that had pragabhava. Anything that is going to have pradvansabhava. Because ante means after pradvansabhava. So anything that had pragabhava, anything that will have pradvansabhava, vartamane api, even now when you think it is there, actually it is not there. Means its atyanta bhava is there. So this is unique to Vedanta. Nyaya darshan will not like this. But we say this is the fact. If a thing has pragabhava, if a thing has pradvansabhava, it will have atyanta bhava. These bhavaha vitathaihi sadrishaha santaha. They are like mithya. Vitathaihi means they are not the way they appear. They appear some way, but they are not like that. Rajju appears as sarpa, Rajju appears as mala, but it is not sarpa, not mala, it is something else only. So then you understand this whole Vishwa appears as people, objects, Pancha Mahabhuta, everything. It is Brahma. It appears something else. Avitatha iva lakshitaha. People think it is not mithya. It is thought of as satyam, but it is not true. Means we think what we see is true, but it is not. It is very different. And it doesn't take much for things to change, to switch. Okay, Sittika. यदि जागृत दृश्याः भावाः मिथ्यात्वेन प्रसिद्ध स्वप्नादिभिः समत्वात् मिथ्या कथं तर्हि तेषां घटः सन् पटः सन् इति अमृषात्वेन प्रतीतिः इति आशंक्याः. If जागृत दृश्य भावास they are मिथ्यात्वेन प्रसिद्ध स्वप्नादिभिः समत्वात्, they are same as swapna, and it is very well known that swapna is mithya, then why do we say ghato asti, pato asti, ghata san, pata san means they are experienced as satyam. Iti amrishatvena pratitihi. Their pratiti is not mithya, their pratiti is like satyam. Amrishatvena pratitihi katham iti ashankya aha vitathaihi. Vitathaihi sadrishaha santaha avitatha iva lakshitaha. So they are like mithya, but they appear as real. Now, Tika on Bhashya. Prakrite jagran mithyatve. Prakrite jagran mithyatve hetvantar paratvam shlokasya upanyasati. Prakrite, second number tippani. आरब्ध प्रतिपादने. So now this pratipadana of swapna as mithya, which is started in that prakriti jagran mithyatve. What is the pratipadana topic going on? Jagrat is mithya. जागरण मिथ्यात्वे हेत्वंतर परत्वं श्लोकस्य उपन्यस्यति. Another hetu, hetvantar means another hetu is given for mithyatva. Shlokasya upanyasyati. भाष्य इतश्च वैतथ्यम जाग्रदृश्यानां भेदानां आद्यन्तयोः अभावात् यद आदावन्ते च नास्ति वस्तु मृगतृष्णिकादि तन्मध्येपि नास्ति इति निश्चितं लोके. इतश्च, फॉर दिस रीजन also, means this is another hetu now. What is that? जागृत दृश्यानां भेदानां वैतथ्यम. जागृत दृश्यास आर मिथ्या. आद्यन्तयोः अभावात्, because it has abhava in the beginning, it has abhava in the end. Adavante cha nasti vastu, what is not there in the beginning and end. Mrigatrishnikadi, like the mirage water, etc. Tan madhyepi nasti, it is not there in the middle also. Iti nishchitam loke, this is nishchitam. This is confirmed in the world. Tika. Vimatam mithya adimatvat antavatvat swapnadivat. Another anumanam is there. If you want to underline or highlight that. Vimatam mithya. You might have already done it. Vimatam means जागृत पदार्थान. जागृत पदार्थाः मिथ्या आदिमत्वात् अंतवत्वात्. आदिमत्वात् means they have beginning. आदिर यस्य अस्ति इति आदिमत्. आदिः यस्य अस्ति इति आदिमत्. Adimatvat becomes the hetu, and same way antavatvat. So if it has beginning, if it has end, it is mithya. And drishtanta is swapnadivat. Why is swapna adi? What is swapna adi means? What is adi in swapna? What is that? I didn't hear. Adi means Mrigatrishnika, Rajju Sarpa, etc. Because remember, you cannot give any examples from waking. Any vyavaharik drishtanta you cannot give, because vyavaharik vastu is in paksha. So your drishtanta has to be pratibhasik vastu only. Swapna is pratibhasika, mrigatrishnika, rajju sarpa, shukti rajata, they are all pratibhasika. Uktanumana dridhimne vyaptim kathayati. Now in this anumana, to make this anumana form, vyapti is given. Yadadaviti. Yadadavante chayannasti, that is the part. Further in Tika, Yadadimat antavaccha, that which has beginning and end, tan mithya. This is the vyapti. Yadadimat antavaccha tan mithya. Yatha mrigatrishnikadi ityartha. Like mirage water, etc. व्याप्तिमतः साधनस्य पक्षधर्मता उपन्यासेन प्रतिज्ञोपसंहारवचनं निगमनं दर्शयति. व्याप्तिमतः, that which is having vyapti is called vyaptiman, tasya vyaptimatah, षष्ठी व्याप्ति वाला, व्याप्तिमतः साधनस्य पक्षधर्मता उपन्यासेन. Sadhana means, what is sadhana? Those who have studied Nyaya, Hetu, Sadhana means Hetu. व्याप्तिमतः हेतोः पक्षधर्मता उपन्यासेन. व्याप्ति वाले हेतु में पक्षधर्मता दिखाकर. सो इन हेतु, of the hetu, where vyapti is also there, means wherever that hetu is, sadhya is there, and that hetu is also there in paksha. This earlier we saw already. Actually, I started the class with this only. Paksha dharmata upanyasena, therefore pratignya upasamhara vachanam nigamanam darshayati. Pratignya upasamhara is done, nigamanam. So hetu has to be there in paksha, and hetu sadhya vyapti also has to be there. Then you can do upasamhara, that in paksha also sadhya will be there. Pratignya upasamhara vachanam is called nigamanam darshayati tatha. Tatha cha ime. See, tatha ime. Jagrad drishyaha bhedaha. जो जागृत दृश्य भेद, they are also mithya. भेदाः means bhavaः. भेदाः means bhavaः. Let me see something. भू धातु भावयति चिंतयति पदार्थान इति भावः. This is one vyapti, but this we don't want this. So we want to know what it is. Maybe somebody can find out. So bhava means padartha here. Like how Bhagavan has said in Gita, bhavanti bhava bhutana. Bhavaha. Maybe in Gita Bhashya we'll see. Nigamanam darshayati tatha. Tatha ime jagrad drishyaha bhedaha. आद्यन्तयोः अभावात् वितथैः एव मृगतृष्णिकादिभिः सदृशत्वात्. So because they don't have beginning and end, वितथैः एव मृगतृष्णिकादिभिः सदृशत्वात्. They are similar to this mithya, mृगतृष्णिका etc. वितथा एव, तथापि अवितथा इव लक्षिताः. But they look as if they are avitat. They are not mithya, but they are mithya only. Who considers them avitatha means satyam, iva lakshitaha mudhaihi, anatmavidvihi, ajnani people. So when we are in ajnanam, we think everything is so wonderful, so nice. This is how it is. This is going to be eternally true. None of this is true. I am telling you, things flip in no time. Situations change, circumstances change, everything becomes upside down. So it is all mithya only. That is why they give drishtanta, you see in Tika. Anumanasya ghatadishu सत्वग्राहक प्रत्यक्ष विरोधम आशंक्य सत गंधर्व नगरम इतिवत. Gandharva Nagar, celestial city in the clouds have come, this, that. You think, oh, lot is going on, let's do this, let's. Before you look, everything is gone. It disappears. Gandharva Nagaravat tasya apatika sattva vishayatvat. Apatika sattva. Superficial sattva is there, that's all. Maivam satyatvam. तथापि अवितथा इव मूढ़ैः लक्षिताः. So let us just introduce the next one now. Now he is going to give different, Purvapakshi is going to come with different reasons why Jagrat has to be Satyam. Siddhanti has to refute all of them through Anumana. Because remember, this is chapter on Anumana now. Agama is over. So Purvapakshi will give some Hetu. Siddhanti gave the Hetu Drishyatva. Purvapakshi will show Vyabhichara, or Purvapakshi will show this Hetu is Asad Hetu, showing something or the other. Siddhanti will have to defend it. Swapnasya mithyatvam adyantavattvat na bhavati. Purvapakshi said, Swapna is not mithya because it has beginning and end. Adyantavattvat mithya na bhavati. किंतु फल पर्यंतत्व अभावात् जागरितस्य फल पर्यंतत्वात्. Swapna doesn't give you phalam. It doesn't culminate in anything. It just ends up, suddenly. Whereas Jagrita has phala paryantatvat, na mithyatva. Therefore, Jagrita is not mithya. Iti ashankya aha. Saprayojanata tesham swapne vipratipadyate tasmadadyantavatvena मिथ्यैव खलु ते स्मृताः. सप्रयोजन तेषां सप्रयोजनता, तेषां जागरित पदार्थानां, जागृत पदार्थ तेषां सप्रयोजनता, that they have purpose. So Purvapakshi's argument is Swapna objects, they don't have purpose. Jagrit objects have purpose. He said Jagrit objects, their purpose is not useful in Swapna. Swapne vipratipadyate. Vipratipatti is there in Swapna. Therefore, Adyantavattva Hetu is still valid. Tasmat Adyantavatvena te mithyaiva khalu smrtaha. Te Jagrat padarthaha. They are still mithya because Jagrat objects, they can satisfy only Jagrat desires. Swapna objects can satisfy Swapna desires. So they have different field of operation. What is varied in Jagrat is not available in Swapna. What is available in Swapna is not available in Jagrat. This is called Mithyatva. Actually, what is available now was not available before, will not be available later. In Jagrat also. This is another hetu. In Swapna also it gets contradicted, but in Jagrat also it gets contradicted. And therefore they are mithya. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.